Bad surprise for the Zwolle's inhabitant. After several weeks of snow, people were hoping that the weather will get better. But apparently, the spring is not for now. As you can see, the brave ones who dared to get out with the rainy weather took out their winter boots and umbrellas. For certain, this kind of weather doesn't change their habit. For the others, unfortunately, this kind of weather can be bad for their business. The restaurants are empty. Even fast food doesn't attract many people. Because all most shops were closed, the center looks a bit like a ghost city. Rain is enough for the coming days. People should looking forward for the return of spring.